Good morning, class 6 students. This is your geography book, and as you know, we are doing chapter number 1 of geography, and this is your part 4 of geography, chapter number 1. Students, we are going to read about the earth today, which is on page number 4. The earth is the third nearest planet to the sun in size and the fifth largest planet. Student, as you know, in this chapter we are reading about the earth and the solar system. And here we are going to read about we have read about the relationship of the earth and the solar system. So we are going now on the topic of the earth, which is the nearest planet to the sun. If we talk about the position of the earth nearest to the sun, it is the third one. In size, if we talk about, the earth is the fifth largest planet and is slightly flattened. Flattened means flat at the poles. Flat at the poles. Students, I want to show you the diagram of the earth. If you have seen the globe, it's flattened. The earth is here, it's not a circle form. Poles are like this, here and the north pole and the south pole. It's flattened from the poles. Clear? Now, that is why its shape is being described as a geoid. Geoid means the earth-like shape. Geoid means the earth shape is not circle, not flattened, it's a geoid. This is the name of the shape of the earth. Why? Because from the poles it has been flattened and it's bulgy from the middle. Conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on the earth. So students, if we talk about the planets where the living can be possible of human beings, it's human beings or living thing is possible, it's the earth planet only. The earth is neither too hot nor too cold. Earth is a planet which has a temperature quality. It's neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air, and it's the planet which has the water also and air, which is very essential for our survival. Our survival means human beings, living beings. The air has life-supporting gases like in Earth. We also find life-supporting gases like oxygen. Because of these reasons, the Earth is a unique planet in the solar system. These are the properties, these are the characteristics. What are the characteristics? That first of all, many gases are being found like oxygen, which is a supporting gas for the earth, which gives life supporting gases for the human beings or living beings. Plus he has the temperature is neither too cold neither too hot, and plus there is a sufficient amount of water and air in the earth. That's why earth becomes a unique planet of the solar system. From the outer space, the earth appears blue because if we see out from the outer space, means if we see the earth, it will look like a blue planet. Why it has been considered as a blue planet? Why it looks like a blue planet from the outer surface? Because of the 2/3 surface is covered by water. Because earth has a 2/3 of the earth is water, and it is therefore called a blue planet. That's why it is also called as a blue planet. Got it, student? So this is your topic, earth. Now we are going to read about the moon. See, this is the picture given in your book. The moon, how the moons look from the space. If we see the picture of the moon, it looks like this. Our earth has only one satellite, that is the moon. If we talk about the satellite present, natural satellite present in the earth is the moon. Have only one moon, and its diameter is 1/4 that of the earth. It's in the 1/4. The it appears so big because it is nearer to our planet. And why it appears so big? Because it is very much nearer to the earth and then other celestial bodies. And because of the other celestial bodies are far away, it is very nearer to the earth. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. Now you can compare the distance of the earth from the sun. See, as the moon looks so much, from this you can compare the distance of the sun also, and that from the moon. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days, The moon take a round of the earth in 27 days. It take exactly the same time to complete one spin. And 27 days spin means round, moving around the earth. As a result, one side of the moon is visible to us and us on the earth, and that's why, because it's taking 27 days and it complete only one round, that's why only one face is visible. We can see only one face of the moon from the earth. The moon does not have condition favorable for life. Moon is a satellite which is not favorable for the living. It has neither water nor air. Moon does not have the water nor it has the air. It has mountains. What does moon have? Moon has only mountains. This is the students. You will be thinking that it's a shining star. We keep because of the heat. We call it a shining star. But moon has a mountain, plain, and depression on its surface. Means see how it depressed. Means it has been pressed. It's not in a circle form. These cast shadow on the moon's surface, and that causes a surface shadowy part. Look at the full moon and observe these shadows. If you see a full moon in the you will know that there will be dots in the moon. You can be shadow. You can be black spots are there. These are the shadows of the moon. And why these are being shadows? Because it has a depressed surface. Now, students, thank you.